We are currently at the mall. I got this. I'm like slowly becoming a Rae Dunn fanatic, I guess. I officially own like 4 things. Tank, get back over here. Come here. Come in here. Come here. So we're just letting the kids play and then we're gonna have dinner. I got a new flat iron too because mine sucks and I've had it for like 4 years. That's pretty much what we're doing, waiting for him to bring pretzels. You're on the vlog.
I like these.
What do you got?
Pretzel.
A pretzel? Is it good?
What's that?
Is it good? Mmm. Come on, get over here. What you got? Scoot up some. Ugh. Scoot up, scoot up, scoot up.
Tank, get over here.
So yummy.
Tank.
We are back at home. It is like 7:30, almost 8 o'clock. I'm gonna take a shower and then get ready to give the kids a bath. I'm putting me first. I'm taking my shower first. And I'm gonna put my mask on because I've been breaking out. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it's clearing up. I've been using this detox mask from Teamy and it's definitely been helping because I don't know, I've never in my life, out of the whole 28 years of my life, I've never broken out like on my neck and my jawline, and it was bad. Maybe it's stress, hormones, creeping up on 30, I don't know, but I wasn't feeling it. That mask is definitely helping your girl out. So I'm gonna go take my shower, then get the kids ready for their bath time. Most likely we're gonna extend this vlog to the next day, which is tomorrow, and it's gonna be date night. Exciting. We're gonna go see the Avengers. Don't mind my messy house. I'm gonna be filming a cleaning video tomorrow morning. But right now I'm just gonna go get my shower and get the kids ready for bed so mama can have a drink. So my mask, I could barely move my face. This thing literally, it feels like Botox without Botox. I can't barely smile. This literally has been the best face mask that I've used, hands down, you guys. I will link it down below the website. You guys can even use one of my discount codes to get 15% off.
Hey, Mommy. Wow, that's your face.
You like my face? Am I beautiful?
Why you got green on your face?
So that's currently what I'm doing. And then once it's all the way dry, then you'll just rinse it off. And it doesn't dry my face out. I will say, you guys, after it's on, because it hardens, it's like it's like a facelift. My face just feels so firm and tight. I love it. And like I said, it's been clearing up all of that breakout that I was having because it's a detox mask. So it's detoxing and pulling all those toxins and all the ickiness out of your skin. And then I got my comfy pajama attire on. Samir is on the bathroom floor following me. He's crawling. I'm sorry because I could not get over this. I look so funny and I could barely smile or move my face. So I'm gonna go get the kids ready to go get their baths. And by the time I'm doing that, this should all be dry. So I can rinse this off and not look like Princess Fiona anymore. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got from Marshall's. When I was at the mall, I did get this flat iron by Hot Tools. And it goes up to 440 degrees. I won't put it up that high. But mine is like 5 or 6 years old. And I just don't feel like it straightens my hair as good anymore. And it's kind of just... It was cheap. This one was only $20. But I got, I want to say a wand curler from Hot Tools that I've had for years. And that thing's still going strong. So don't mind Samir in the back. So, I have confidence that the straightener will work for me. And then I love the she, however you want to pronounce it. I love their products. I have a straightening cream that I use whenever I do straighten my hair, but I needed some more heat protectant, so I just grabbed this one. It was $11.99. I love their products. They work really good for my hair. And the straightening cream, it literally like keeps my hair not frizzy and just super straight and silky and soft. And then I got some of this mascara. You guys know I don't have any type of lashes, so whenever I don't put false lashes on, I've been trying to find the perfect mascara to make me look like I have some lashes. So I'm gonna try this one. Leave me a recommendation. What is your go-to mascara? Let me know for all of the no lash having girls. And then the last thing I got was this coffee mug because yes, I'm a queen. My friend Brittany, I sent her picture of it and she said, yes, queen. I laughed so hard. I'm slowly becoming a Rae Dunn fanatic. So I got this one. What I'm going to do, I got a new table. I'm going to redo this whole thing. So I got the Super Mom one. I got that on Tuesday. I should have got another one for my mom. I don't know what I was thinking. They had two. I'm slow. Look, I'm not up with the Rae Dunn hunt yet. So I got that mug. Currently, these are the Walmart knockoff versions. My mom got me these for Christmas. I don't know if I'm going to keep this here because the table that I'm redoing, it's pretty big and it actually goes up to like here. So the Keurig, everything that's on this is going to move up. So this is going to either have to move up or I'm going to take it down. And I'm thinking about starting to collect these and maybe get like a coffee mug holder to put on the top. Because the thing, actually, Lakin, be quiet, please. It is going to be a little bit wider than what this is. So I should have more room and then I have shelving that's going to be on the bottom. I think I'm going to record it. I don't know, you guys. I've had this table for like a couple weeks now and still haven't redone it, but I'm starting to get my collection up. I also have one other thing I'll show you. So I'm slowly getting my Rae Dunn game up. It was funny because my boyfriend was like, do you want to go to Marshall's and look at Rae Dunn? I'm like, yeah. And they are actually getting stuff. So I got this a couple weeks ago. And then when I got that, I got just this little coffee sign. Because like I said, if I don't break it before I get to use it, my table is way bigger and it has 2 shelves. And I like this whole black and white like farmhouse theme. I'm sticking with that. So that's why I got that sign. And I'm going to keep these, of course, until maybe I find Rae Dunn. But for now, I got those at Marshall's and they were super cheap. $7, and I think that one was $5. So this is what I currently have, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on this little coffee setup I have. But out with the old, in with the new. One of these days, I'm going to redo this table and do a farmhouse. I'm going to repaint it white, and on the tabletop, I'm going to sand it and stain it. I don't want to show you guys it because we currently have a whole bunch of crap on top of it. But that's my plan with that little area there. I'm forever changing it, but I will stay with the farmhouse look. So that's my little Rae Dunn collection. These babies. Look at him just crawling. Are you crawling? Where are you going? Where you going? Hey, are you come on. Come on. Let's go. Come here. You don't want to crawl for the camera. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on, baby. Come on. Are you going to walk yet? Him and his cookie. You got Cookie? Yeah? Well, aren't you just the cutest baby ever? Are you the cutest baby ever? Are you the cutest baby ever? Yeah? Say, my mama says I am, so it must be true. Hi, handsome. You got your cookie? He's not dropping that thing. Are you ready for a bath? Lakin, you gonna take a bath with Samir or Tank? Or are you by yourself? You're getting one either way, so choose. By yourself, with Samir or Tank?
No.
This is not a yes or no answer.
I just reading.
You're just reading? Okay. We're gonna go get baths. Are you playing? You got a phone? Hey. You say hi? Say hi. What's wrong? You sad? Come here. Come here.
Mama.
You coming to Mama too? Come on. Who did this? Really? That was probably the corporate tank. Good night. You say good night?
Good night.
I love you. I got my mom juice ready. This was the very first Rae Dunn I ever got, was this set. And I got it on clearance for $6. I've had this thing for like a year. Well before I even knew that this even was a thing. So I got me some wine in my little queen cup. That's the king one. I don't think he's ever even drunk out of that. Actually, this is only the second time I've ever drunk out of this, because when I got these, I was pregnant with Samir. So the first time I drank out of it was apple juice. So I got some actual wine, and I'm gonna go edit my video for tomorrow. So my desk is kind of a disaster right now, you guys, but I'm going to edit a cleaning video that I have going up on a Saturday. This video, this vlog will be up well after this is over and done with. So I use iMovie to edit. I'll show you guys. This is what I'm currently using to edit any videos, and I just do everything on my phone and I import everything over to the computer, and then that's how I just do my little setup. If you guys, let me move back. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing like maybe little tips and tricks on how I edit with iMovie. I know some people have asked me how I get like the Instagram effects in there and the little pop-ups and all of that. It's been a learning process. I cannot talk half the time. So if this is your first time watching my channel, I cannot talk for the life of me, and I'm trying to learn how to look into the camera. I keep looking like over there, over here, I don't know. But if you guys would be interested in seeing how I edit on iMovie and do those little cool effects, let me know, because I've been kind of contemplating if I would do like a little tutorial or do like a mini edit with me type thing. So let me know. So I'm just gonna work on this video. The kiddos are all laying down. Well, Lakin is still hyped up, but as you've seen, Samir and Ellie and Take, they're pretty content watching Frozen. So probably definitely within the hour they'll be knocked out. So this is what I pretty much do at nighttime. This is the only time I get to edit my videos. Everybody's always asking, how do you do it with all these kids? The nighttime, you guys. I'm so tired all the time, but now I'm monetized, as you guys know, so I'm earning money on my videos, so the work doesn't end. I'm trying to work as hard as I can because the goal is to increase each month, and so far I have been doing that, thanks to all of you guys that have been watching my ads and my videos and just showing support. I appreciate it, because without you guys I wouldn't be earning anything, any chump change. So here's one of my little pop-ups. If you can see, it's on a green screen. So I did this, but I did it on my phone on this app, and then I got this one too. I know you guys see this a lot in my videos. Little check mark, this little pop-up, subscribe now. I have pop-up in some of them. This little Instagram, I don't know if this is gonna pop up. Yeah, this little Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter logo. I use this occasionally. This has been my little quote inspirational thing that I've been doing lately, which I think is pretty awesome. And I've been getting good feedback by doing those like uplifting quotes at the beginning of my videos. These are just other videos and clips from previous things. So when I go in, I'm gonna first add in my intro. And then this is my preset outro that I have, my in slide or whatever you want to call it. And then I just go into photos, and this is where all my videos are imported to from my phone. So they're imported down to the computer. And then I just scroll down. I need to probably start deleting this stuff before I run out of space. Or I need to get an SD card. Something, I need more space because doing everything from my phone and putting it on the computer even. So I'm editing a cleaning video. These are fun. This is the longest. So it is 9 o'clock and I'll probably be up quite a bit. Ooh, I made something new too if you guys watched my giveaway announcement. So I'm forever learning, you guys. I'm trying to always make my videos even better. Even better. And then I just click these and there's a little plus button that pops up, and that's how I add it in. So pretty much when I'm filming my videos or importing them, I do it in order that I film, so that it's so much easier. So when I'm doing my editing, all I gotta do is just click and go in order. And it like cuts my editing down a lot instead of just doing it all over the place. So when I import them, I do it in order that I filmed. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this here, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little mini vlog and coming along with us for the evening. I think I'm becoming a Rae Dunn groupie, you guys. I'm finding myself more and more addicted. Jessie from Jessie at Home, girl, you did it. You did it. Watching your videos every week definitely has had me more in tune. And my Marshalls is getting more. I'm just excited to start finding stuff and getting my coffee bar slowly converted over to Rae Dunn. My name is Amber, and I am a future Rae Dunn fanatic. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love all of you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.